Hi, today I want to talk about the CME Xkey keyboard and its firmware version. I got this unit from eBay some time ago, and while testing it with MIDI aux and a native application, I found that it is impossible to program each key of this keyboard with unique control message and different parameters. And what I found is that the version of the firmware is very much the issue problem, because when I got to the CME site, I found that starting since the version 1.2, there is the all keys and buttons are now assignable. That means if your version, for example 1.1 or the earlier like 1.0, it is possible that this keyboard will not be capable of programming the individual keys like this. For example, I can program the note, the control change, the program change, and pitch as well. And I found that I am also incapable to upgrade its firmware. And I decided to write to the CME support, and I found this answer from the Andreas Preuss. He told me that by running the previous version of, for example, 2.5 Xkey Plus application, I will be able to upgrade that keyboard to the firmware, which will then be possibly to upgrade with the native ESI application and have all those features like key sensitivity, also the velocity curves, and so on. That means that I need to find Windows application, and I also found that on the native supporting site like ESI, which hosts the necessary drivers and editor software, it is impossible to find the early numbers of applications. There is no 2.5 and earlier application program of editor software to be able to upgrade these type of firmware early stages and to have it all those features of the current firmware. And I searched the internet thoroughly, and I found it. And yeah, here you can see that I am already using the latest firmware 2.4 with latest version, and I am capable of programming this keyboard to have each key its unique program change functionality of all type, what is capable to program the editor software. To program your keyboard with necessary functionality, you need to get into the editor software, then choose which keyboard you want to program the functionality you need, and you will see the option like control change and whatever. To get the note you want, you just choose the note, and to get the control change you want, you can choose the control change. Then you need to press save to Xkey, and that's it. This exact functionality is saved to your unit, and then you need to close the editor application and then start your MIDI aux application and get the application assigned to the device you are having, like one is Xkey. Then you will see that keys are generating notes, and this key, I mean the C, is generating the control message you have programmed just seconds ago. And to have the different option, you need to choose device to assign and unbind it from your MIDI aux software. Then run the Xkey program, which is again assign itself to the keyboard and allows you to control it with editor possibilities. And you just choose the key you want to program, assign the note, for example, save it to modify your current state of the unit, close this editor again, and get back to the MIDI aux application. Here you can clear monitor, assign unit to the monitoring capabilities, and you will again see that this C key is generating the note and does not generating the control change messages no more. This is it for the firmware issue and full capabilities of the editor and the unit. Thank you for supporting me and having subscribe it to my YouTube page. I will also recommend you to become my free Patreon or paid to see what's going on my page and to have the access to all of the material I have on my Patreon page. And you also will be able to download those early 2.6, 2.5 firmware from my Patreon page, as well as the official reply from the ESI support team to be able to do what's needed for upgrading your keyboard to the latest firmware by using those early days editor software. Thank you for attention and have a good day, everybody.